your name firstly?
Yeah, my name is John. And I'm here protesting today because I'm here to protect our constitutional right to free choice. The free choice to reject the vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine, because that's our right. We don't want we don't want to be injected with poison. So that's what it is, poison, and it's bad for your health. Now they're after our kids. Now they're after the bigger number. They're after our kids to poison our kids and to give them this vaccine that has a lot of side effects and is even deadly. So I'm here also fighting for the kids. That they're going after our kids now. They want to vaccinate all the kids in this country. It's all a money number making scam from Washington to use the kids as a number to mismanage the taxpayers' money.
The whole damn system. Rittenhouse. People burning. Rittenhouse. The whole damn system.
For your so-called freedom. For your so-called freedom.
How many more must die?
How many more must die?
For your so-called freedom.
For your so-called freedom.
How many more must die?
Fuck the fascist. 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 Fuck the fascist.
Don't give them fuel. Hey, what's your name? I don't know. And she came with me in the car. Hey.
I'm not afraid. Don't get too close.